Aloha, it's me, Dashama. I'm excited to be sharing this video today. I've been getting a lot of people requesting more videos about Tantra, and I was talking with my friend today about that and kind of this interesting conversation. I get a lot about the difference between yoga and Tantra and how they work together, and also I'd love to put it out there for you. If you're interested in this topic, leave a comment, click like, let me know your questions specifically about Tantra, because I put out a few different videos specifically about Kundalini Tantra and the path, and it's very interesting because it's a little bit different than yoga specifically. So I want to address any questions that people might have and utilize this opportunity to kind of like make it more clear like how those two go together and how you can practice both and get to a really amazing place in your life and your relationships, and what is the purpose of this practice in general, right? So these are the kind of questions. I remember when I first started this channel, a lot of people used to ask me, you know, is it okay to have sex when you are a yogi? And I was like, well, we're humans. Of course it's okay. But at the same time, I can see why there's some confusion, because throughout the years, a lot of people, like if you read the ancient yogic scriptures and textbooks, thousands of years they've been talking about, you know, you got to let go of your desires and how that's like the key to enlightenment, right? So this is like one side of the spectrum. It's like letting go of desires. And on the other side of the spectrum, which is Tantra, it'd be more like, you know, like living in pleasure and like actually utilizing the energy of pleasure to get to enlightenment. And so those are two totally different perspectives, right? So leave a comment if you have ever even thought about this, because this is a question that I've gotten a lot over the years. And I remember years ago I made a video about is sex okay in yoga? And I remember it was very controversial, so actually I ended up taking it down. But I want to address this topic now because I do feel it's such an important and relevant topic, especially right now. We have the coronavirus. A lot of people are at home. Maybe you have a spouse, a lover, a partner, or maybe you're single. I think these are conversations that we can be having because, you know, this is an opportunity that we all have to really work on ourselves while we're at home during the quarantine, global quarantine. So I want to just open it up for a discussion, but at the same time, answer these kinds of questions. So one of the main questions, like I said, is like, is sex okay in yoga? And there is a whole bunch of belief systems out there that maybe if you are celibate or if you decide to, you know, channel that sexual energy into a different way, then that could be towards enlightenment. And so that's really what Tantra is about. So Tantra, that's why I like to teach Kundalini Tantra. It teaches us how to channel the energy and raise it up. So if you can raise it up instead of being controlled by it on the low level, like a primal level, where it just kind of like runs your life and kind of controls your mind, and you're thinking about it, you get addicted to it, or like the opposite, where it's like traumatizing, you have a lot of issues with that, or maybe you have hormonal imbalances that cause that. So the point is, whatever your current situation is, there's a way to be able to learn how to master the energy, harness the energy, and then utilize the power of that amazing Kundalini energy through the practice of Tantra, which incorporates breath and movements. And you can do it alone, but it's really best with a partner. And to be able to cultivate that energy, make it stronger and more powerful, raise it up, and let it nourish you in your organs. It can nourish your digestive organs, your reproductive organs. A lot of people get prostate cancer, uterine cancer. If you're having really good regular sexual experiences with Tantra, you actually won't have as high of incidence of any of those kind of diseases that people are getting. A lot of that comes from stuck energy, blocked energy, traumas, and things like that. So that's where the yogic path and pranashama yoga that I teach is a big healing journey, because it really is, you know, the goal of that is to release traumas that you might have, clear out blocked energy so you can have this like amazing flow of energy. So you can do a lot of that by yourself, and then some of the partner practices, obviously it'd be best to have a partner. So we teach all of this at my yoga teacher trainings and retreats around the world. We even have a new online yoga teacher training that you can train from home and become a yoga teacher, but learn these deep, powerful, profound practices. So you can click the link below and learn more information about the online yoga teacher training. And in that training, we're also incorporating a lot more about Tantra, Kundalini, tons of practices about breath, Kundalini, meditation, as well as Vinyasa flow, yoga, and all sorts of different practices that you can utilize to awaken your Kundalini, to raise your energy, and to nourish your organs, your cells, become more vibrant and revitalized, feel better on a daily basis, enhance your mood, your creativity, your connection to source energy, feel more harmony in your life and your relationships. Every single thing improves in your life when you start a regular yoga and meditation practice, and especially if you incorporate Tantra and Kundalini into that, now you have the perfect formula. So we have all of this combined into this online yoga teacher training, and you can see the link below. Click the link, and with a special coupon code, you'll see it in the description. You can save $97 if you enroll today in the next 7 days. And I just really want to encourage you to explore the infinite possibilities that are existing out there for your energy, for your life, for your vitality, and really feel connected. More than anything, connected to yourself and to the world and to the universe, your higher self, to God, and all of the beautiful energy that exists out there that's available to all of us. And that's what this is all about, is to share that powerful, powerful, amazing, amazing energy, and so that we can all feel good regardless of what the circumstances are in the world right now. Because, right now we have a lot of challenging circumstances on the planet, but we can take this opportunity to master our own energy, master ourselves, bring more harmony and health into our lives, into our relationships. And also, if you do the online yoga teacher training, you can learn how to share these practices and make money, make a career, a whole new path for yourself with this amazing gift. So I send you so many blessings. Hopefully you'll take the opportunity while it presents itself. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me an email. You can see the email address in the comments below. Send me a direct message as well if you want to, or just comment on the video. I respond to the comments here. And click like, share with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and let me know in the comments if you want me to make more videos with Tantra practices, because that's something that I'm really interested in, is sharing the practices of Tantra, the meditations of that, and how that you can utilize this with your partner to benefit your health, your well-being, your relationship, and the love that you feel in your life. So leave a comment, and I'll see you again very soon. Have a beautiful day. Love you. Mwah.